One of the biggest dream of every student is to score full GPA in the final examination or in the SC examination. But it remains dream of a number of students. Don't get disappointed. I'm going to give you some tips by the implementation of which everyone can score full GPA in the SC examination or in the board examination. Ace your SC or full GPA. Let's get started. Hello intellectuals, I am Thakur and you are watching this video in Digital Maths Academy. First of all, you have to know the SC examination. SC examination means the board examination. And you can know the SC exam by three aspects. They are grading system, subject weights and exam structure. In grading system, you have to understand the specific grade boundaries. That is, know how marks translate to GPA. There is a difference between the GPA and the percentage. Everyone knows 6.3 GPA means 100%. That's not. Full GPA is 100%. That's not. If I explain about the grading system, the video will be too long. So if you don't know and if you want to know something about the grading system and the percentage system, please write down in the comment section. Of course, I will make another video for that. Now the next one is the subject weights. Actually, you have at least 6 or 7 subjects or maybe 8 subjects for the final examination, but all the subjects have the different weights. Some students are struggling in mathematics, some students are struggling in science, some students are struggling in math, there's a Nepali also. So in which subjects you are a little bit weak, you have to focus on such type of subjects more. And the next one is exam structure. So you have to familiarize yourself with the exam format. Exam format means what now? How many groups are there? What kind of questions are selected from which chapter? So such type of knowledge you must have to have before going ahead. The next one is hone your handwriting. Handwriting is the first expression of each and everyone. Handwriting is your identification. So if you have to have the best or attractive handwriting in the examination. So legibility matters. Practical tips. So, however, it's not compulsory that your handwriting should be cursive or joining. That's not good. Handwriting should be readable. So, if you are writing something, not to try to cut it. Okay. So, before writing anything, first of all, you are going to think what you are going to write, then only write. And after writing, please be sure that the handwriting should be neat and clear. The next one, after that, I'm just going to stop on the topic of conquer past papers. Past papers, I really like to suggest you, please collect the past papers of at least 5 years. Go through and find out what kind of questions are repeatedly several times. Which questions are very, very important and they have come in the examination several times. So you have to circle the questions, you have to find out such type of questions and you have to practice accordingly. Then you have to analyze your mistakes. What kind of mistakes you are doing, right? When you are doing any theorems, any derivations, you can say that identity or mathematical any theorems, then where you are doing the mistakes, you have to figure out the problems and you have to work on them. And then you have to mastery on such type of mistakes. And next one is simulate exams conditions. Actually, practice under time constraints. Time constraints, actually, I'm going to talk about the time management very soon. The next one is optimize your study habits. Actually, I have seen some students are studying late night before the examination. They like to study all each and every chapters in one day before one day of the examination. That's a really bad habit. So if your examination is little bit away, that's a 7 days, 15 days, or I can say that's 1 month, before 1 month, 1 month, your peak time starts. You have to study harder, at least before 1 month. So optimize your study habits. Actually, it means that now you have to update your habit. First of all, you have to make a habit, then your habit only can make you. So you have to wake up early in the morning. I like to suggest you, please study in the morning, not during the night. Okay, and you have to active learning. In active learning and active learning, how much hour you are learning, how much hour you are reading, that doesn't matter. How many questions, how many subject matters you are understanding, that matters. And next one is retention. Use techniques like space, repetition, ensure long-term retention. That retention is also very, very compulsory. So you have to first of all stand, and then you have to analyze yourself how many important topics you understood. All right, it's a very important. Minimize exam stress. My goodness, exam is from tomorrow. Exam is after 1 week. What to do? I'm not getting that much nice sleep. That kind of tension, of course, is going to spoil your examination. So you should not have to have any types of stress, right? So how to minimize exam stress? First of all, preparation. So you have to prepare, right? Prepare nicely, regularly, time-wise. Next one is techniques. You have to apply lots of techniques also, right? For example, after having lunch or dinner, just I'm going to see some formula, right? Yes, I don't have time. Let's see some any 5 examples. Okay, so many techniques you have to apply, and then sleep. Actually, please have lots of sleep. At least 6 hours of sleep is beneficial, or I can say it's very important for the human body, right? Not more than 6 hours also, because it's a time, it's exam time, and not less than 6 hours, right? So you must have to have proper sleep, right? After that, master time management. Time management, my goodness, it's so crucial. It's so very, very important. In the examination, actually, some students are wasting their time. So first of all, not to waste your time. So as soon as you get the question paper, first of all, you have to see all the questions paper. You have to start from the beginning. I really like to suggest you to start from the beginning. And after that, during the practice, you may have understood that in what question or which type of questions you have to give more time, and in what kind of questions require less time, you have already understood. So you have to apply, you have to go ahead accordingly. So exam day, you have to fix it out. Okay, after that, avoid distractions. You should not have to have any distractions. First of all, if you dive into distraction, then you will be going ahead, and no one can stop you. Okay, and then after that, this is study sessions, right? So study sessions, you have to manage, you have to make one schedule, and you have to go accordingly. Next one is key takeaway. So you first of all, I'm just going to tell you, preparation is the main part. Next one is time. You have to prepare according to the time, right? Morning will be the best one. Next one is that practice. And I just like to tell you, practice and the revision, just they are conjugate of each other. You are practicing means you are eating something. But if you are not revising means it's not going on digesting. So practice and revision, you have to go ahead accordingly. The next one is calm. Yeah, you have to be calm. Okay, nothing will happen. You are not the only one who is going to give examination. So many students are going to give examination. You are not only the weak one. So many students are weaker than you as well. You have to understand that. Okay, so and you have to always understand that if one can do, why you can't. And after that, the next one is that SC exam, go grab your GPA. GPA means, of course, you can achieve. So I hope that you may have understood this video. So in each and every slides there is some nice actually sentences. So I just like to suggest you, please pause the video and read it that. Okay, remember to prepare, manage your time, practice, and stay calm. These steps will improve your way to a full GPA. So thank you. If you have liked this video, then please please share this video to your friends, to your surrounding. And if you are new, then not to forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you again.